wake up but I feel so numb, like I haven't seen myself in years. The mirror shows a stranger's face, a shadow drowning in his fears. Each day just drifts in shades of gray, as time keeps painting over me. I breathe but I don't feel alive, hiding behind what they believe. I scream inside but no one hears, my silence louder than my tears. And when I fall alone, no net, no voice, just sinking stone. I am a storm that makes no sound, a beating heart that won't be found. The world outside is shining bright, but I'm still stuck in endless night. Each step feels like a mountain's weight that I can't climb, no matter how I try. They ask me what is wrong with me, but words ran dry so long ago. How do you name a kind of pain that never shows but only grows? I scream inside but no one hears, my silence louder than my tears. And when I fall alone, no net, no voice, just sinking stone. I am a storm that makes no sound, a beating heart that won't be found. But somewhere deep inside this cold, there's still a spark, though weak and old. A whisper says you're still not done, you're more than what you've now become. I scream inside, but now I hear an echo faint but strangely clear.